Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I style my crochet braids. And so let's start. Number one is this plain. You just leave it like this. Yeah, that is number one, plain. Number two is a side part. Number two, like this. Number three is a simple black part. Oh, you can actually do this every day of the week. It is simple to maintain. If you are those people who don't like leaving things hanging on you, this one is the perfect one. Look at me. Oh. Or you can do it like this. Perfect. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Princess here, the reporter of the National Television of Kenya. That is the vibe it's giving me. Simple, professional. This one is a simple plain and just a scarf at the front. I do not want to use so much scarf because I have a video coming on how I use my bandanas and a scarf to tie your hair. Anyway, this one is a simple one, half up, half down. You just pick the ones that are the center. Yeah. Hi guys, today we're going to the children's orphanage to visit them and see how they're going on. That is the vibe I'm getting. The next one you pick about the half of the hair. Half up, half down. This is style number. I hope you're counting. You can flip it to the other side. So you make it to your own desired side, your best side. Wow! You can divide it in here between to make it look like pigtails, or you put them together to make them full like that. But this one is another style. And my pigtails is another style. Do you see that? High ponytail. Like that. You can use a strand of hair instead of this scarf like me, but this is my high ponytail, and wow, looks so beautiful. You spread all the hair. Then the next one we can do a bun. And you tuck everything inside. This one looks beautiful at the front, but I told you that at the back while I was doing my crochet braids, it wasn't full, and therefore we need to cover our back. And we'll use my normal scarf. I'm going to use this. That is it, a simple hairstyle. Have they reached 10 yet? Simple hairstyle. You can put some cuffs around there. I don't have time yet, but you can decorate it to your own desired style. This one is a simple one. You have this, you just put it there. Remember to lay your edges. A flat twist. You flat twist, then you bring it each on each side and you tuck on the other one. I hope you've understood this one. This one gives me a wedding vibe. You can either do a Dutch braid if you do not know how to flat twist, or a roll and tuck, and you find this superb wedding, baby shower, anniversaries, parties, because you can dance with this. You can dance and it doesn't disturb you. It is off your shoulder and fully on your head, like that. I think I love it. Comment down below which one will be your favorite. You can leave the back like this. Like this, or we can tie this back. I think this one is better. Like this, I think this one is better. These are the gold ties that came with the crochet itself. Just use it or buy something else and use. And I think I'm going to chat like this. So guys, let's stop. We've gotten to the end of this video. Kindly consider subscribing if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video about how I style using my scarves. Okay, kindly subscribe. Okay, this pretty girl, my name is Princess. I do hair videos, lifestyle vlogs, faith. Yes, thank you Jesus for this. It's over. See that? You lay your edges like that, and you leave it like that. Bye. Please like, share, comment down below which one was your favorite or which one you never knew about, and I'll see you in my next video.